Well, it's been a nightmare trying to forecast clouds over the past day and a half. We've had this high pressure with an inversion, a little lid on the atmosphere, and we've had this low stratiform cloud deck stuck underneath it, and sometimes it erodes away. You get a hole that's eroded in it. So you have sunshine one place, overcast another place, and then they switch around through the day. And we had a similar situation today. Some areas overcast, some areas seeing more sun. But overall speaking now, the highs pulling away and moisture from the Gulf of Mexico is overspreading the area, and that's going to bring some of that freezing rain and rain by tomorrow night. Now, where we have a hole in the low clouds, it's dropped to 17 at Morocco and 20 at Pence. Where it's largely overcast, we're holding in the upper 20s, like 27 at Crawfordsville, though it's 24 at Monticello, 21 in Remington. So skies generally mostly cloudy here, and I think the precip will start to edge in likely around 6 p.m. tomorrow evening and onward. We'll see some light freezing rain overspread the area, and I think the freezing rain of the WLFI viewing area will be confined from 6 p.m. tomorrow evening to 6 a.m. on Thursday morning. Then it changes to all rain, and it's going to be fairly rainy with fog Thursday into Friday, with the heaviest rain arriving Friday night. There could even be a few embedded thunderstorms. And again, if you're traveling, areas of dense fog. And with the rain around, some minor flooding issues are possible. Creeks will start to come up, and there could be some ponding in low areas. So mostly cloudy skies tonight, mostly cloudy skies tomorrow, but the light freezing rain begins to approach later on tomorrow evening. It overspreads the area. That's 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. The pink is light freezing rain, but the warm air will start to move in, and the freezing line will likely move through the Fowler and Lafayette areas around perhaps 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, 10 or 11 o'clock, but still freezing rain in our northeast. Freezing rain will gradually erode away, so as we get into Thursday, it will be at least some periodic light, pure liquid rainfall with areas of fog around. Notice ice accumulations, though, at the onset of this. As we get into tomorrow evening, there will be a little light glazing on some of the trees and power lines, perhaps an eighth of an inch here in the north. Most other areas, 0.05 to a tenth of an inch of glaze icing. There's the light freezing rain pulling northward, periodic light rain and fog Thursday. Fog and periodic rain Friday. Heaviest rain comes through Friday night with some thunder and lightning, and 36 for the high on Saturday. And rainfall-wise, again, we may get over an inch of rain here, Lafayette southeastward and eastward towards Kokomo and Frankfort. The rest of the area, generally a half to 1 inch of rainfall from this storm system. 20 degrees, little light freezing fog tonight, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, 30. Some light freezing rain towards the evening, with kind of a low gray overcast, and then we get into just pure rain. Thursday, temps rise Thursday night, 54 for Friday, and then it stays pretty mild, but towards middle and latter parts of next week, more rain on the way with highs near 50.
Wow, it's really strange to see 50s.
Yeah, that pretty snowfall we had for Christmas is going to get ugly.
It's going to, yeah, all right, thanks, Chad.